Hello children, today I am going to cover this topic, how to find two degree of a polynomial. Most of the children are very much confused to find the degree of a polynomial. हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे कि डिग्री कैसे पता करते हैं. If any polynomial is given, then how can you find out the degree of a polynomial? So first of all, पहले मैं डिस्कस ही करूँ. Polynomial means many terms. And it can refer to a variety of expressions that can include constant, variable and exponent. Means polynomial which have constant are there, variables and the constant exponent is there. For example, like x square plus 5x plus 6 is a polynomial. X square minus 4 is also a polynomial. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is also a polynomial. X cube plus x square minus 5x plus 10 is also a polynomial. But one more point I am going to also discuss, which algebraic expressions are not a polynomial. उसके बाद हम डिग्री की बात करेंगे. तो now question is here only, not a polynomial. Which algebraic expressions are not a polynomial? So, suppose if I am taking x square plus 2x raised to the power minus 3 plus 10. So, this is not a polynomial. Now, question, ये polynomial क्यों नहीं है? कोई भी algebraic expression means any algebraic expression cannot be a polynomial if the exponent of the variable, अगर किसी variable की पावर एक्सपोनेंट अगर नेगेटिव है, it should not be negative. It should not be negative, number one. And the exponent of the variable, we are not worried about the constant. Variable की power should not be in the form of the fractions. Like one more example I am taking, x square plus 2x raised to the power 3 over 4 plus 10. This is also not a polynomial. But if the radical sign, sometimes this can also be like x square plus root x minus 2. This is also not a polynomial because root x means, इसका मतलब क्या है, x की power 1 over 2. So your exponent is here in the form of the fraction. So these are not the polynomial. लेकिन अगर radical sign is given on the constant, then it will be the polynomial. For example, I am saying like x square plus root 2x plus 10 is a polynomial. But these are this one and this one. These are not the polynomials. Now we will discuss about the degree. Okay. Now the polynomial I am taking. First one is the polynomials with one variables. Means polynomial is given which have only one variable. अगर किसी polynomial में variable 1 है, तो हम how can we find out the degree of a polynomial? For instance, x square plus 5x plus 6. See, we will check the exponent of individual term. See, this is your first one, second, third. So here is the exponent of x here is 2. Here is 1. And here is 0. Because this 6 can be written as 6x raised to the power 0. X raised to the power 0 means 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Just take the individual term. एक एक टर्म में देखिए कि x की पावर क्या है. Here is 2, 1, here is 0. So your degree is highest power of the term. Degree means highest power of the term. Highest exponent of a term. Highest. For example, one more example I am taking, like x cube minus 4x square plus 10x minus 12. Here is 3. 1, 0. So what is the degree? Degree is 3. So in case the polynomial has only one variable, अगर एक वेरिएबल है लाइक, सबसे ज्यादा important point is here if the polynomials with multiple variables means more than one variable is given. So for instance, suppose your expression is given like 2x square y plus y square z cube plus y square minus 10, for example. Suppose here is multiple variables, x is y, z, all are the variables. Now we will check the exponent of the individual term. So this is your first term. So the exponent of x square is 2 and here is y comma 1. Exponent is 1. So the degree of this term, if we talk about individual term, so that is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Here exponent of y is 2, z 3. So here is 2 plus 3, 5. Here only one term, 2, and this is constant, so that is 0. It's already discussed, like because 10 can be written as 10 into x raised to power 0. See, so among these three, 5, 2 and 0, greatest, highest number is 5. So degree of this polynomial is 5. So if the multiple variables are given there only, you must take the individual term. हर term का लो और उसमें जो variables की exponents हैं उनको add and then among all in sum में सबसे ज़्यादा जो number होगा that will be the degree of this given polynomial. This is quite different is there only. This is also you can understand. Sometimes your rational expression is given of one variable, like this x square plus 1 over 6x minus 2. This example I have taken. The important point is here, you wouldn't need the coefficients or constant term to find the degree of a polynomial with fractions. So here what we will do, we will eliminate this 1, 6 and minus 2. Just eliminate. Eliminate 1 from this numerator. इस numerator से you can eliminate this 1 from denominator. We will eliminate 6 and minus 2. Now you are left with variable. Here is the x square. Here is the variable is x. We will eliminate this one. इनको छोड़ दीजिए. केवल variable देखिए. X square and this is x is here. So x square over x. Now what we will do? From the exponent of the numerator, subtract the exponent of the denominator. 2 minus 1. Here is 2. This is 1. 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 1. So the degree of this rational expression is 1. I think you understand now. Thank you.